Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are looking at a beautiful north-facing house plan for 24 by 51 plot which is about 1000 to 225 square feet. This plan includes a ground floor, first floor and terrace floor. I will explain the layout in simple English and also share some useful Vastu tips for each part of the house. This is a compact and practical house plan designed for a family. It's a good space planning, proper ventilation, and room arrangement that can work well for both comfort and vastu. Let us start with the ground floor. In the ground floor plan, the main entrance is placed in the north side. For a north-facing house, the north entrance is generally considered good in vastu if it's good placed in the right zone. Uh, North and east side direction are usually preferred because they allow positive sunlight and energy into the house. When we enter the house, we first see the car parking area in the front portion. This is very useful space for a small plot. The parking area is planned neatly without wasting much space. In Vastu, parking in northwest or north side is often acceptable, but try to avoid blocking the northeast corner. Near the entrance, there is also a septic tank placed outside the main living area. In Vastu, the septic tank should not be in the northeast corner. It is better if it's in the northwest of west side. Now moving inside the ground floor has a hall cum dining area, a kitchen, master bedroom, and a kids bedroom, puja room, and common toilet and passage area. The hall cum dining space is planned in the left front portion of the plan. This is a good idea because the living area becomes easy to access and comfortable for English for family use. In Vastu, the living room is best in northeast or northeast side. Here, the hall gets decent placement and enough open movement space. Puja room is placed near the middle left side of the house. Ideally, the puja room should be in the northeast corner of the house. If possible, that is most preferred zone for prayer and peaceful energy. Uh, if the exact northeast corner is not available, then keep the puja room in the clean, well lit and calm place. Avoid placing near toilets and or under staircase areas. The kitchen is placed in the upper left portion of the ground floor, that is southeast area, which is first option as per Vastu. If not possible, northwest can also work. In this plan, the kitchen location is practical, but if you want to improve also further, try to place cooking stove in the southeast part of the kitchen and face east while cooking. The master bedroom is placed in the upper right side of the ground floor. For a bedroom, the southwest corner is generally the best as per Vastu because it gives stability and support. Uh, a bedroom in the northwest or south side can also work depending on the plan. If this room is used as a master bedroom, keep the bed in the southwest area of the room and sleep with the head towards the south or east. The kids' bedroom is placed in the lower right side of the ground floor. This is a good private space for children. The children's bedroom, west or northwest, is often acceptable. Keep the study table in the way that child faces east or north while studying because that is very improved focus. There is also a common toilet on the right side of the center area. Toilets are best placed in the west or northwest zone as per Vastu. Yeah, it is better to avoid toilets in northeast, center, or southwest. In this plan, the toilet placement is more practical than many other layouts, and it helps the main function without disturbing the main living area too much. The passage in the center helps connect the rooms properly. This is useful for movement and circulation. Now, also prefer the center of the house should not be too heavy or blocked. So, keeping the passage open and the simple is always a good idea. Overall, the ground floor is well planned for family use with the parking, living space, kitchen, bedrooms, and puja room arranged in the compact way. Now let us look at the first floor. The first floor has a hall, dining area, master bedroom, kids bedroom, balcony, storeroom, utility space, and two toilets. The hall is placed on the left side of the first floor, which is northeast side. This is a comfortable space for the family sitting or guest. If you want a peaceful and open feel, you can keep this area bright with large windows. In Vastu, the living room on the first floor also works well in the northeast or northwest side. The dining area is near the hall and the kitchen zone. This is a smart arrangement because dining becomes easy and practical. In Vastu, the dining space should be clean, light filled, and not crowded. Try to keep the dining table in the rectangular or square shape if possible. The master bedroom on the first floor is placed on the right side. As I mentioned before, the southwest direction is most ideal for the master bedroom. If this room is used for a main couple, is a good choice. Keep a heavy wardrobes on the south or west wall for best place balance. The kids bedroom is placed below the master bedroom. This is also comfortable room for the children or guests. Make sure the room gets a good natural light and ventilation. Study room in the east or north direction is always beneficial for learning and concentration. There is a balcony at the lower left side of the first floor. The balcony in the north or east side is considerable very good in Vastu because it allows fresh air, sunlight, and positive energy into the house. If you can place plants or a small seating area here, it will feel very pleasant. The utility area at the top left side, the utility spaces are usually best in northwest side or west side. This area can be used for washing or daily support work. Keep the space simple and avoid clutter. The storeroom is placed near the center right side. Yeah, storeroom should be ideal in the southwest or west side because heavy storage in the better in those direction. If you use this room for storage, keep heavier item on the south or west wall and lighter items on the north or east side. Two attached toilet are located on the right side of the first floor. This is a partially arrangement. In Vastu, toilet should be in the northwest, west, or the southeast areas if possible. Proper ventilation and closed toilets door are very important. The first floor is well organized for the family living setup with enough privacy and a good balance of common and private areas. Now let us come to the terrace floor. The terrace floor is mostly open terrace space with one bedroom and one attached toilet on the upper portion. It is a simple and useful design if you want to keep terrace open for future use, family gathering or outer activities. Open terrace space is always helpful in a home because it gives natural light, air circulation, and flexibility for future planning. You can use it for a small garden, seating, yoga, or even solar panel installation. The bedroom and the terrace floor can be used as a guest room, study room, or extra family room. Since the terrace floors are more open, try to ensure the room stays cool, well ventilated, and protected from heat. The attached toilet is placed next to the bedroom. which makes the room more functional. As always, make sure toilets are ventilated well and keep it in the correct zone. If you are modifying the design according to Vastu, the terrace space should remain as open as possible. Avoid placing too many heavy structures on the terrace. North and east side of the terrace are usually better to keep most open, while heavier items can place towards the south or west side. Now let me give you some simple Vastu tips for this house. Keep the main entrance clean, bright, and free from obstacles. If possible, place a small nameplate and good lighting near the entrance. The northeast side should be kept a light open and visible. Place the puja room in the northeast if you can make a small adjustment. Kitchen stove should face east while cooking. Keep water-related items like drinking water or underground water in the northeast or east side if the site supports it. The master bedroom is best in the southeast. Toilets should avoid in the northeast corner. Heavy storage is better in the south or west side. Keep the center portion of the house open and uncluttered. Use natural light and ventilation as much as possible. If you want good energy flow, use bright and soft colors like white, cream, light yellow, or light beige. This plan 20 by 51 house plan is a practical design for a compact plot. It gives a nice balance of parking, living space, a bedroom, kitchen, and terrace use. With a few Vastu friendly adjustments, this home can feel more comfortable and positive for the living for the family. If you are planning to build a house on this Indian plot, this layout can be useful reference. It is simple, effective, and suitable for modern family living. Thanks for watching. For more house plans like this, you can check out our website houseplans.com or houseplans.world. Also, you can install our apps, which is available on the Play Store. House plans and designs, house designs and plans, plan list and design list. Check it and install now. Thank you.